is horseshoeing day at Oklahoma Horseshoeing School in Ardmore, Oklahoma. This is how the horses get their shoes. About an hour and a half drive to Fort Worth. About that smoke. That's a little baby horse. Is that your new buddy today? Who is that? Hi. Not everybody. We can handle it. That's good boy. Is that a girl horse? Is that a mare? They don't see mares very often. They're like, look, it's a girl. Who is that girl? That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yay, home at last. Home at last. Back from the Farrier. Boys are turned out. All is well with the world.